is Elementary program was designed by the Science Museum of Boston, and their efforts were to create the next generation of problem solving. And in doing so, they worked with elementary teachers to look at the concepts that are generally taught in each grade level and to engage students in the problem solving alongside of those content areas. So they're learning how to apply those concepts to problem solving activities, and they have to solve that question by using the engineering design process. The Science Museum came up with a 5-step process, and that 5-step process was to ask a question, so it's very student inquiry based. Then they had to imagine some of the solutions, and then they had to plan out how they would create solutions to that. And then they got to create whatever they imagined and then improve on whatever they created. So it's a cyclical process that they use throughout the program. The Engineering as Elementary program has really changed the way I teach in that I'm more of a facilitator. I've taught the concepts, and the kids are really learning to use those concepts in the problem solving activities that we're doing. So I just am more concerned about them being engaged in the process rather than the product. In the Engineering as Elementary program, students are really learning about the human-made world. In the past, they've learned a lot about the natural world. So what they're learning is that from day one, that technology and engineering is all around them. Students not only are learning concepts along with the problem-solving activities, engaging problem-solving activities, but they're also learning some really important social skills. They're learning to work together as a group. They're learning to stick to a task from the beginning to the end, and they see their efforts pay off through these activities. Each grade level will teach between 2 and 3 EIE units throughout the year. In 5th grade, particularly, we are teaching 3 different units. Each unit deals with a different type of engineering. So students have done a geotechnical engineering program. This unit we're doing more on industrial engineering, so we're working with simple machines. And in the spring they'll be doing environmental engineering, and they're going to learn how to clean up an oil spill. STEM is part of the INSPIRE program in Eastern Carver County Schools, and it stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. And these EI units really focus on how engineers use science, technology, engineering, and math in their problem solving. The students in Eastern Carver County Schools benefit from the STEM program in engaging them in problem solving activities, as well as encouraging collaboration through the engineering process.